filling up my Christmas list with gifts for girls and boys. There's frilly things and candy dreams and every kind of toy. The tree is set up twinkling with my favorite kind of lights, and faces glow 'cause children know that Santa soon will fly. All around this happy town, good tidings fill the air, 'cause everyone knows through the fallen snow, the sleigh will soon appear. I'm filling up my Christmas list, my favorite time.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. The holidays are fast approaching and we're all going to be so busy decorating, making our lists and checking them twice. I have 5 freezer recipes for you that I know I've tried and tested. You can make them ahead, stick them in your freezer, and you have something to eat over the holidays when you're too busy to cook. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure to subscribe to my channel. I upload a ton of videos every week, so make sure that you're subscribed and ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. The first thing on my list is lasagna. Cooked lasagna freezes really well. I like to make smaller servings for 2 and cook them in disposable foil containers. When I need to eat it, all I have to do is defrost the lasagna if I have the time, or if you don't have the time, you can just heat it up a bit longer in the oven. The next on my list is freezer Manchow soup. This video was incredibly popular. Sometimes after all the overindulging, all you feel like eating is a bowl of hot soup. This is genius. Pre-package a bag of veggies, add your stock, and you have a nice bowl of fresh soup. My make-ahead meatballs are really versatile. These basic meatballs can be defrosted and tossed together in a sauce, added to pizzas, and you can also throw them in a sub. Instant dinner.
We'll soon be here. Oh.
My Chipotle Chicken Parchment Pouches are amazing. I love this idea. I made this with both fish and chicken, but I believe chicken is hardier to stand the freezer temps. Just throw a bag into the oven and you have instant dinner. And finally, one of my all-time favorites, my Spinach Chana Dhal. Although dal is so easy to make a fresh batch, I always freeze leftovers. When I need it, all I need to do is heat it up, and it's great to eat with some rice or sopped up with some roti.
The tree is set up twinkling with my favorite kind of lights, and faces glow 'cause children know that Santa soon will fly. All around this happy town, good tidings fill the air.
Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed these 5 amazing freezer meal ideas. These are really going to save your butt over the holidays. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, and share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends. And don't forget, I am running a giveaway on my channel till the end of the year. This includes a box full of my favorite ingredients, including a Kravings apron and a mug. So all you need to do is comment on any video with the hashtag Kravings and you will be entered automatically for your chance to win. All of the details are in the description. Make sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye. Thank you so much for joining me on
All around this happy town, good tidings fill the air, 'cause everyone knows through the fallen snow, the sleigh will soon appear. I'm filling up my Christmas list, it's my favorite time of year. For Christmas, we'll soon be here.